I will be showing you my art. Be aware some of it is not finished, so I guess we shall start. First is my mushrooms in space. It does have some minor flaws, as you can see, but it's one of my best drawing paintings, I guess. Next is my red guy, I guess, from a show. I mostly just watch short videos about it. Oh crap, it's off screen. And then my unfinished snake. I was drawing another snake to like wrap around the other snake or like whatever, but I never got to that, so I guess I'll have to soon if I truly want to get that done. But next I guess I should show you my diamond art. My teacher actually gave me this one, so I guess it's pretty well. I have another one from her, but I am not close to done with that because it's like 10 times bigger. But anyways, thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. Yes, I'm gonna be that YouTuber. And okay, bye.